Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to get subscription on Plenty of Fish dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser. So I'm going to open Firefox as my web browser and type in Plenty of Fish. Now after typing on Plenty of Fish, it will send me or it will show me links of Plenty of Fish dating app, or you can also type in www.pof.com to go to its official website. Now to get subscription of Plenty of Fish, just click on this upgrade button that is on top bar of this Plenty of Fish website, and after clicking on this it will send me to this page. And as you can see here, get POF premium of 1 week, 1 month, 3 months or 1 year. Now you can choose your options by paying with PayPal or PayPal credit and many more. And that's how you get subscription on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.